If you want to unblock a phone number or a contact on iPhone 17e, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to simply open the phone app, and if the blocked phone number or contact is still easily found in recents, for example, or in the contacts list over here, then you should be able to open that contact. You can tap on it, and then at the bottom we have the unblock contact option, so you can tap over here in order to easily unblock the contact. We can do the same thing, the phone number. We can do the same thing with the contact itself. So for example, if I block a contact, then over here at the bottom we will find unblock contact as well. But if it's quite difficult now to find that phone number that has been blocked some time ago, then in that case what you can do is you can go to settings, over here scroll down in settings and proceed to apps. Now over here in apps we're gonna scroll down and we need to find the phone app. And once we open the settings, you want to scroll down again, and this time we need to find blocked contacts. And here you should be able to find the list of all blocked phone numbers, and you should be able to remove them from here as well. So in my case, I have this one contact blocked. I should be able to go over here, I can tap on it in order to immediately open this page or this these details of this contact, and I can unblock it in here. I can also press on edit in order to remove the phone number from that unknown contact, or I can press on edit in here and I can manage contacts in here as well. But if you cannot edit an unknown contact, then you need to actually go to unknown, and then over here you can remove it from this menu. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.